Hello my dear students, hope all are you well and doing your study at home with full concentration, that because that is very much important for the COVID-19 situation. Almost 1 year our study, we are out of school, we can't take the classes at school, and you are also not allowed to come to school to attend your classes, but we are doing online classes as per the instruction of the government. And by this time I think you also have learned many things through these online classes. So inshallah our school will soon open, and we will then meet again in the classroom. That will be a very happy moment for us. So today I will take another class for you in English grammar. That is, the topic is very much easy, and that is called article. What? Article. Though though it is very easy, but we find that you do many mistakes in the examination hall and can't get full marks in article. Why? Because I think you have some lapse of concentration in that case. If you give your full concentration, if you try to understand the topic clearly, then you will be able to do that very easily, I think. So today we will discuss the very basic thing of article and how to do also article, or the use of article. First of all, A and the, okay, A and the, these are called article. These three are called article. You know it very well that these three are called article. And what is the use of that? Article is, though in parts of space it is said that all the parts of a sentence are called parts of space. So article is not included in the 8 types, but still they are obviously the part of parts of space. So these three are also termed as adjective. Okay. So today we will learn two kinds of so these three are called article. And what are the kinds of article? Two kinds of article. What kinds of article? Two kinds of article. Article are, that means these three divided into two parts. In the first part, A and N. This box is the first part and this is the second part. Okay, in the first part there are two, and in the second part there is only one. And what are they? Indefinite article, definite article. What? Indefinite article, definite article. So you know that indefinite means there is nothing definite, nothing confirmed. Okay, it may be, it is not fully confirmed. So these are called indefinite, and by A and N, okay, their meaning are same. What is the meaning of A? The same meaning of N, but their use are different. So these two have been used. And the always make anything definite, make anything definite. Okay, so next come A and N are called indefinite article. We learned just now, we have learned that A and N are called indefinite article. So today we will learn about their uses. We will learn about their uses. There are lots of rules and regulations in different books, but I will give you just 4 rules and regulations to remember the use of A and N. Okay, the use of A and N. And I hope that if you just remember these rules, and if you apply these rules properly, then you will be able to do that article very easily, and you will not do any mistakes. I hope that. So what is the difference, or what is the use? Okay, N is used where? Before a vowel. What? N is used before a vowel. So what are vowels? Okay, we know it very well that A, E, I, O, U. These are called vowel. These are called vowel. Okay. So these are called vowel, we know. So if any sentence come, then and and the word before the blank is started with a vowel, then we will put N. For example, he ate orange. Okay. So for example, these two, you can see that here he ate an orange. He ate an orange. Why? Because this word orange started with O. That means with vowel. Okay. They give him an umbrella because the word is used started with another vowel. Okay. What? That vowel U. So as these two words started with vowel, then we put N before that. Okay. That is the general rule. What? That is the general rule of using N. But there is an exceptional rule for using N. Okay. Sometimes the word will start with consonant, but still you will have to use N. Still you will have to use N. How? For example, look at these two example. Mr. Babul is dash and dash honest man. What? Honest. Though the word used with a consonant, though the word started with a consonant, but whenever we are pronouncing the word, the consonant is being obsolete. Okay. We can only find the pronunciation of the vowel. Honest. It's not honest. It's honest. As the pronunciation of the vowel come first, we will have to put N here. We'll have to put N here. We can put here A, though the word started with a consonant. As like same, we waited for him for dash hour. For dash hour, not hour. It's hour. So the pronunciation of H is also obsolete here. So we have to use N. We have to use N. So my dear students, note that these two rules in your mind permanently, that will help you not to make any mistake in case of the use of N. Okay. He ate an orange and umbrella. These two words started with vowel, so we used N. But honest and hour, these two words started with consonant, but for their different pronunciation we have used N here. Clear? So I hope that you understand. Now we will see the use of A. Okay. So use of A. Use of A. As like the use of N, the use of A is worked with the consonants. What? The consonants. We know there are 26 alphabet in English language. So 5 is what? 5 is vowel. 5 are vowel. A, E, I, O, U. Except this 5, the other 21 letters are consonant. Other 21 letters are consonant. So whenever we will get anything, whenever we will get any example that is started with consonant, we will think A there. For example, dear students, look at this example. Hakim bought dash pair of shoes. So what will be the answer? A. What will be the answer here? A, because P is a consonant and the word start with a consonant. Ranu had dash bad cold. So what will be the answer? A. Ranu had a bad cold. This is dash big cow. Okay. So what is this? Is a big cow. This is a big cow. Okay. So that is also uh, um, another example. All the words started with consonant. All the words started with consonant. So we very easily put a over there. Clear? But that is the general rule. What is that? Is the general rule. So we have, if there are some exceptional rules also. Okay, so let's see the exceptional rule for a. What is the exceptional rule? The exceptional rule is that sometimes you will find the words started with vowel, but still you can't use n, you have to use a. Okay, my dear students, I repeat that sometimes you will find some word started with vowel, but you can't put here n. You have to put here a. In what condition? Look at the board. Okay, my dear student, look at the board, and there are a very important clue, and that is the most important issue in the use of a and n. Okay, so you have to be very much cautious, very much careful about that. What is, for example, I? What is the pronunciation of this word EYE? That is called I. So the pronunciation of E is here turns into A. The pronunciation of E is here turns into A. But what is this? The pronunciation of this is U. EWE is U. That means the pronunciation of E has turned into U. Has turned into U. So that is egg. Egg. That is A. The pronunciation of E become A, but that is European. The pronunciation of E becomes U. The pronunciation of E becomes U. Like that, if you see here, the pronunciation of U become A. Umbrella. What? Umbrella. A. Here also uncle. A. But if you see this word university, university, so you become U. Uniform, you become U. Unique, you become U. Unity, universal, unicorn, all these words, their pronunciation begins with U. Begins with U. So that is the fact. What? That is the fact. What type of fact? If the pronunciation of the vowel becomes U, and look at here, ox, that is O, orange, that is O, but one, that is wa, that is wa. So if the pronunciation of the vowel turns into U or wa at the beginning, so we have to use a instead of n. Dear students, I am giving some example and hope that this will make your all confusion over, and that are the things. Okay, look at my dear students. Rupok is university student. So in traditional way, if you think, it should be n. What? It should be n, but it should not, it will not be n, cause what? Because though it starts with a vowel, there have to be, have to a. Why? Because U becomes U. Mr. Patrick is European. E turns into U. Okay, so what we have to think? A. What? A. The policeman has to wear dash uniform U. So we have to put A. And if I give you another example, for example, this example, he saw dash one-eyed man. He saw dash one-eyed man. So it becomes wa. So we have to use here A. We have to use here A. So my dear students, I hope that all these things become very much clear to you. So what I think, I repeat the 4 rules, and I have to give another example for you that is also important. For example, my mother is dash M-A. Okay, M-A. So M is a consonant. M is a consonant. What will you put here, A or N? So in simply you can think many I have found in many copies many times the students used here N A, but that is the wrong answer. Here that will be N. Why? Because to pronounce M we have to start with A plus M. What? A plus M. But if it is BA, then what we will use? A. What we will use? A. So in single word, in single letter, pronunciation single letter, you must have to be careful. You have to think that the pronunciation of that letter starts with vowel or consonant. It starts with vowel or consonant. Okay, that will help you to give the correct answer. So my dear students, I am giving you just 1 minute to copy the board. So dear students, the use of the we will discuss in the next class inshallah, because in a single class so much thing make me you confused. The use of the I will discuss in the next class. So there will be a homework for you, and the homework is you will write 30 examples by analyze from your books or from your grammatry books. The grammatry, you can also use the grammatry of class 3, no problem, and in your hand there is grammatry of class 4. So by combining this you will write 30 example of the use of A and N, and take a snapshot and put it in the comment box. That will be your homework. So my dear students, keep safe at home, study well, and if you find any problem you can share in the group or in the comment box. We will try to answer your question. So that's all for today. Thank you.